Timmy, tell us what's going on.
I was working on the computer, and a lot of viruses just showed up.
What were you doing on the computer?
I was uploading videos, actually, for everyone to see. I had good intentions.
Check it out. Tim has Trojans.
Check those out.
Okay, look at that. 527 threats was found. Talk about a serious threat.
Well, everyone, this is what happens when you have Windows Vista.
Amen. Oh, yeah. In other news, we are going on tour with the Newsboys this February. We'd love for you guys to come out and see us. So what you guys need to do is go to breadofstone.com. The dates are listed there. Also you can go to MySpace/breadofstone. They're also listed there. Or you could go to what we just started, a Facebook page. Go to Facebook, search Bread of Stone, and go to Pages, and then you'll find Bread of Stone there. We have our dates listed there also. So we'd love for you guys to come out and see us. We'd love to see you guys again. And we're excited about this new. We got some new stuff. We got some new stuff coming up. So God's going to do amazing things. God bless you all, and we'll see you.